Now, step 6 is funding the project. Now, funding the project is where I'm going to show you exactly how the funds are going to be allocated to your project. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to explain everything in detail. Now, keep in mind, everything that Trademark does is for the comfort of the client. All this process, it's designed so you fully understand what we're doing, where we're going. So the first thing, again, is we're going to inspect the property. Once we inspect the property, then secondly, we're going to go ahead and go through all these steps so you understand that. And then we have what is called the subject to agreement again. And the subject to agreement, now it's the form that allows us to work hand in hand with your insurance adjuster to get you everything you're entitled to receive. And it simply states that you're under no obligation unless the insurance company approves all the work, okay, and they're willing to pay for it. Then the only cost to you again is your insurance deductible. Now, so once we do that, we're going to do your scope of work, that 18-page engineering report. So we're going to prepare that for you. The reason why we prepare that is to go ahead and meet with your adjuster so that they know exactly where we stand. Okay. Once we meet the adjuster, you're going to hear everything twice. You're going to get it in writing twice, once from the field supervisor and once from the adjuster. So that way you know everything is accurate. After we meet with them, our field supervisor is going to sit down and go through those scopes line item by line item. So what they're going to do is show you exactly what you're getting, what the insurance company is paying for, and you know that. Now we are able to pick out the materials for the job and also the colors. Once we pick that out, you know exactly what you're getting. Then we're going to go ahead and pick the first check that we receive from you, which is called your insurance deductible. We're going to take that insurance deductible back to the office along with all the material information so we're able to make out a work order. With that, that's going to activate our production department to go ahead and send the material out. So your material is going to be sitting out here on the job. Simultaneously to us doing that, the insurance company is sending you a check. Once the materials are sitting there on the ground, then we're going to get the first check you receive from your insurance company, and we call that the material drop check. After we confirm all the materials right and of the right color, we're going to take that material drop check back to our office. Once we take it back to our office, then that's going to cue the production of funding the project. So they're going to do all the restoration. They're going to do from the top down. They're going to do your roof first, and then they'll do your gutters, your siding, your windows, or whatever is involved in it. They're going to do that. Once that's completed, then we're going to ask you to approve a form, and it's basically a customer satisfaction form telling us that you're happy. Once we have that, then we're going to send that in along with the final invoice. You're also going to receive the final invoice, and so is the insurance company. You see, all the funding goes through you because it is your project. It is your home that we're bringing back together for you. So now, once it's going to take about 2 to 4 weeks for them to get that final check to you, and then once you receive it, you go ahead and call us and we'll come out. So that's going to give you approximately 2 to 4 weeks to walk your property, make sure you're happy with everything once again. And of course, then we're going to come out and pick up that check. Once we pick that up, that's going to activate your warranties. That's going to activate your manufacturer's warranty along with your workmanship warranty. And then it's completed. Are you comfortable with us doing the project? Okay.